don't know.
Oh yes, it's true. Okay, let's take the cars.
We can take our Ferrari.
Look, the Sagrada Familia.
We are in Barcelona.
Oh, the Magna Star.
Messi, fas de gol!
Passa'm Piqué.
Messi, you are the best football player. Barça, you are an excellent team.
The match has finished. Look, the football players are coming here.
Oh my God, we are very nervous.
Do you want to ask any questions?
Piqué, do you like Shakira?
Yes, a lot.
Messi, what's your favorite food?
Spaghetti are very healthy. Piqué, what's your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Javier Bardem.
Do you like running, Messi?
Yes, a lot.
Can you give us an autograph, please?
Yes, of course.